Okay, we've made adjustments on the mouth. So we're getting what I wanted on here. We put our half-inch dowel back here so we can check our tension. And our tension is good. So we're going to glue this in the spot. We also want to attach our ears, and you notice I put these blocks on here. That's when we go to screw these in, our ears don't slide on us as we're trying to screw it in. So we've marked the ears where we want them to go. So I'm going to use a 1-inch screw to screw it in, and then we'll glue it to keep it from rotating on us. I've also sanded it down real good before I put these on, so I got a final sanding on it. So we'll take this block off.
Derek Jeter admitted that he once went to extreme lengths to get out of a slump. During an appearance on the Tonight Show, the former
do the same on this side.
He once donned a golden thong to get out of a rut. Really? While playing the game called True Confessions with Fallon and Rita Ora, Jeter said, "I once wore a thong in public in front of thousands of people." What? Though the co-host thought it was a lie, Jeter explained that back in 2002, a new teammate of his swore that wearing a golden thong would get him out of a slump. Incredulous at first, Jeter gave it a shot, and his first pitch at bat while wearing the thong was a home run. Holy cow. Yeah, because it hurts. Records show he was 0 for 32 before the home run in April 2004. Jeter did, however, say that he wore shorts underneath the thong. That has to be more uncomfortable than just wearing a thong.
Yeah, but I think the whole thing is the thong made him feel pretty. Oh, and, so pretty. That was... It's interesting that, guys that would have incredible skill still try to rely on, like, magic. Baseball particularly.
You just want to wipe off the excess glue. Enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
They can, yeah, they're up your butt crack, Josh.
Well, what hurts more, wearing a thong or going home alone?
So now we're all set to seal it. So we're just going to glue this back piece on. So we'll let that set up and dry, and we'll be ready to move to the next step. Thanks for watching.